Today in Crypto World channel, we'll see why it's the best time to buy Gala. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Gala is all set to rally for this month primarily due to the disruptive nature of blockchain gaming. While Gala currently runs on the Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum ecosystems, it has plans to switch to its own blockchain soon. A string of recent partnerships, including that with Epic Games Store, a major non-blockchain gaming company, makes the coming months interesting as we enter December. The success of the Epic Games partnership would mean that Grit, one of the first Web3 games to be released, will be done through the Epic platform. If one can recall the report from trend-spotting firm Gartner, 20% will spend at least an hour each day shopping, working, playing, or learning in the metaverse by 2026. All these only confirms that Gala is well-positioned to grow and benefit from that future trend. Two aspects of this metaverse play could encourage to include Gala in your portfolio. Gala Games has its own NFT collection and a highly engaged community. Gala price is an 87.7% discount from its $0.71 price peak back on 27 Nov 2021. Today's Gala price is $0.036935 with a 24-hour trading volume of $113,954,231. Gala is down 0.62% in the last 24 hours. The current coin market cap ranking is 116, with a live market cap of $257,704,516. It has a circulating supply of 6,977,205,436 Gala coins, and the max supply is not available. Let's take a look at factors for consideration that can help validate our Gala price predictions. First, let's see Gala's partnership. Gala ended 2021 on a high with an announced partnership with Under Armour. This is poised to be a partnership for charitable causes. 2,974 editions of the Genesis Curry Flow NFT were made available. Binance partnered with Gala Games and many other metaverse networks to give metaverse tokens worth $400,000 last December 2021. Gala promised to develop blockchain games that people would want to play. They delivered on that promise by announcing in December that they would partner with legendary Sims designer Will Wright. Gala Games and Gala Labs work with Wright to create the VOXverse, a home for your favorite collectible avatars that did .fi. Let's have a look at the proposed developments Gala is going to do. Gala has some plans for 2022. The most important thing is to migrate to their proprietary blockchain to reduce network fees and combat many Ethereum bugs that might inhibit long-term growth. New games are also to be expected for 2022. Gala Games announced in January on its blog site that it's in the process of deploying its own blockchain since its gaming ecosystem currently runs via the congested Ethereum network. It was also announced that there are proposed partnerships with more companies like Frank Miller, Under Armour, and AMC. They also mentioned that more charitable work and sustaining the environment would be done in 2022. Gala Games enable blockchain gaming-focused projects, allowing users to utilize their NFT characters in gameplay. These features made it easy for Gala to make significant gains after being listed on the Binance exchange. Since its launch, the platform has acquired 1.3 million monthly active users and sold more than 26,000 NFTs, with the most expensive so far selling for $3 million. These numbers are taken from the Gala website and have not been updated for several months. So this was all about Gala Games basics. To understand its price in the future, we must have to know how its history was. So let's now cast our eyes over the Gala price history. While past performance should never be taken as an indicator of future results, knowing what the token has done in the past can help give us some context if we want to either interpret a Gala price prediction or make one of our own. The Gala token started to gain traction in September 2021 after being listed on the Binance, BNB, and Bbox crypto exchange platforms in the middle of the month. Its price surged to $0.113 on 23 September 2021, up by 51,594% from its previous all-time low of $0.00022 on 28 December 2020. Following updates to Gala Games' inventory, which made transferring items from within the platform's ecosystem to Ethereum much easier, as well as the signing of a memorandum of understanding between Gala Games and Wemade, the blockchain subsidiary of Korea-based gaming giant Wemade, the Gala crypto price moved sideways throughout October and mid-November 2021. News on 15 November 2021 that the company would release its first limited supply of game node licenses for Townstar boosted the Gala token by 192%, up from $0.13 on 15 November 2021 to $0.37 a week later. The token's price managed to keep a steady growth pace and surged to $0.71, still its all-time high, by 28 November 2021, following the announcement of the release of a new series of its VOX NFTs. Success, however, did not last long for the Gala Games crypto, despite the general hype surrounding play-to-earn platforms, which surpassed a record $1 billion in NFT trading volumes in November, according to data published by DappRadar. Between its all-time high at the end of November and 3 December 2021, the token's value dropped by 29% to $0.51. The Gala Games token continued on a downward trend over the following month until it reached $0.18 on 22 January 2022, despite securing a $100 million blockchain gaming fund in partnership with C2 Ventures and preparing for the launch of Phase 2 of the node's ecosystem at the start of January. And finally, the Gala price prediction. It's now time to take a look at some of the Gala price predictions that were being made as of 20 October 2022. It is important to note here that price forecasts, especially for something as potentially volatile as cryptocurrency, are often wrong. Also, long-term price predictions are often made using an algorithm, which means they can change at a moment's notice. First, Gov Capital had a Gala price prediction for 2022 that said the token could close the year at $0.27. By 11 October 2023, the site said that Gala could potentially fall to trade at about $0.24 before moving to $0.61 12 months after that. On 11 October 2025, Gala could be worth a fraction of a cent under $1.19 before possibly trading just below $1.84 a year from then and potentially trading not too far off $2.62 on 11 October 2027. Next, CoinsKid made a Gala crypto price prediction that saw the token potentially worth $0.0424 in December 2022, before reaching a possible $0.0577 in October next year. A year from then, CoinsKid said that Gala could climb to $0.0687 before making a Gala price prediction for 2025 that saw it potentially recover to $0.1145 by October that year. By October 2026, the site argued that the token could continue to rise to $0.1999 before potentially closing the year at $0.2331. Meanwhile, Captain Altcoin had a Gala token price prediction which argued it could go on a somewhat bearish run in the near future, dropping to $0.0368 in December 2022, before potentially recovering to trade at $0.0619 in October 2023. By 2025, the site said, Gala could be worth about $0.1617, but there could be a substantial drop by October 2027 when it could be down to $0.0947. The site then went on to make a Gala price prediction for 2030 of $0.4043, before arguing that it could get to $0.8086 in 2040. Finally, wallet investors struck a far more bearish note in its Gala price forecast, saying that the token could be in for a rough 12 months, potentially dropping to $0.00864 by October 2023. When considering a Gala token price prediction, it's important to keep in mind that cryptocurrency markets remain extremely volatile, making it difficult to accurately predict what a coin or token's price will be in a few hours, and even harder to give long-term estimates. As such, analysts and algorithm-based forecasters can and do get their predictions wrong. If you are considering investing in cryptocurrency tokens, we recommend that you always do your own research. Look at the latest market trends, news, technical and fundamental analysis, and expert opinion before making any investment decision. Keep in mind that past performance is no guarantee of future returns, and never trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. So that's all we have for you today. See you in the next one. Peace out.